Hi children, I am Mrs. Beena, teaching Environmental Science in 4th standard. Today we can study the second lesson. The name of the lesson is The Leaf Too Has to Say. In this lesson, we can study about roots. What are roots? Roots are parts of the plant that grows under the soil. If you pluck out a grass or any other plant from the soil, you can see hair-like structures growing from the base of the stem, and these hair-like structures under the soil, and this is known as the root. Understood? What is a root? So, roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. What is a taproot? In taproot, you can see a main root growing deep down into the soil. A main root growing deep down into the soil. And hair-like roots on both the sides. The main root growing from the base of the stem, and it goes deep down into the soil. And hair-like roots also growing from both the sides of the main root. For example, plants like tulasi, then mint, and trees like mango tree, jackfruit tree, papaya, guava, carrot, all these have taproot system or taproot. Then another set of roots you can see in plants, that is fibrous root. Another type of roots called fibrous roots. And the plants having fibrous root, you can see only hair-like thin roots, and they have no main root like taproot. For example, plants like paddy, then grass, bamboo, sugarcane, arecanut, all these have fibrous root system for the plants. So all of you understood what is the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Next we can know the different functions of this taproot. What is the function of taproot? Taproot goes deep down into the soil, so they can fix the plant firmly in the soil. Then next we can study about venation in leaves. What is venation? Have you seen different types of leaves? Thin leaves, then leaves which are oval in shape. So differently shaped leaves you can see. What are veins? What are veins? Veins, look at the hands and different parts of the body. You can see veins. Network like veins. What is the use of veins? Veins carry blood from different parts to the heart. Like that, leaves also have different vein-like structures arranged in different manner, and in this type of leaf you can see the veins are arranged in a network manner, and here you can see the veins are arranged parallel. So there are two types of venation in leaves. They are reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation and parallel venation. What is reticulate venation? All of you understood what is venation? Arrangement of veins on leaves. In reticulate venation, the veins are arranged in a network manner. Example, plants like tulasi, then mint, trees like jackfruit, mango tree, papaya, neem tree, all these have reticulate venation in leaves. And another type of venation, parallel venation. In parallel venation, the veins are arranged parallel. For example, in plants like paddy, sugarcane, then grass, bamboo, arecanut, etc., you can see parallel venation. This is reticulate venation. Veins are arranged in a network manner, and here see veins are arranged in a parallel manner, and parallel arrangement of veins are known as parallel venation, or network arrangement is known as reticulate venation. Then all of you understood the difference between reticulate and parallel venation. Next we can check how can we understand the roots of plants, whether it is taproot or fibrous root, without plucking the whole plant from the soil. How can we understand whether the plant is having taproot or fibrous root? Okay, we can understand by a simple method, that is by checking the leaves. That is, if the leaves are having reticulate venation, they have taproot system, and if the leaves have parallel venation like this, the plants are having fibrous root system. And that's for today. We can meet in the next class.